In 1985, the Barons' former home, Rickwood Field, turned 75 years old. As we celebrated, we also realized that it was past its prime and it was time for a new home to be built. On January 1st, 1987, ground was broken in Hoover for the Barons' new home, and that home would soon rise in time for opening day in 1988.
So the stadium will be right down, nestled down in this area right here then. Give me that stuff on the pitcher's mound. The pitcher's mound was supposed to be here. Now you've moved it over 100 feet, right?
Down the hill.
Down the hill.
Yeah.
Opening day arrives.
The very first run at Hoover Metropolitan Stadium was scored by the opposition. Greenville scoring the first run as Inocencio Guerrero singles in Mark Lemke. It was 1-0. The Barons did not score their first run in their new stadium until the second inning. And then in that same inning, Mark Davis' ground ball will go off of the third baseman's glove. It'll go for a base hit, scoring Grevik 2-1 Barons. Now, this has got to be the play of the night so far. Watch this. In the sixth inning, Craig Grevik will nail a long drive. It'll go off the wall in the left field corner. Will Magallanes will score easily, but Dan Cronkright is coming in behind him. The catcher's going to try to block him off. Watch. Boom! Right there. The collision of the night. Runner is safe. Barons went on to score 3 runs in that.
The excitement of the Barons' first game in Hoover was just a small sample of what was going to come over the next 25 years of baseball, and included incredible moments and so many talented Barons players.
Fly ball deep to left again. Ratliff going back at the warning track, looking up. It is Gonzo Jordan. He's done it. Makes the catch. Here comes Hudson. Here comes a throw. He scores standing. It's playoff time in Birmingham. They go crazy to the right of home plate.
Hoover has been home to an amazing 25 years of Barons baseball. It would not have been the same without all of the loyal fans that have come here each and every summer to support Barons baseball. On behalf of the front office and players, we say thank you.